Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. This Yahya and Profit here with another trading video, y'all. Today is Monday, February 9th. You know what I'm saying? Got a good win on NQ. Won like $1,000 for my combine within 5 minutes. Well, 5 minutes of the trade. Got 1K. You can't beat that. Trading is a powerful skill set. Can't beat it, man. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what job you can make $1,000 in 5 minutes? Trading. You know what I'm saying? But you need the skill set and the strategy to make that happen, man. Let's get to the charts.
Alright, y'all, we are at the charts. So let me we'll put this on full screen. I'll be on full screen right now. Alright, y'all, so this is my combine right here. You know what I'm saying? Doing real good on my combine. So I give it like 2 more winning trades. I should pass my combine. 2 more winning trades. If the market conditions right. If the market conditions right, should pass this combine this week. Excuse me. But the trade I took today, right here highlighted with the long tool. I took partials away because I don't need the full TP. Saying because my system, my strategy I have, you know what I'm saying, I don't need full TP. I just grab what I want and just exit the market. You know what I'm saying? I'm not greedy. You know what I'm saying? I trade with 2 E-mini contracts. 2 E-mini contracts. Because I want to pass the combine quick. First of all, then so I gotta attack this combine a little bit aggressive. Only got $2,000 on this combine for max drawdown. So to pass your combine quick, you need to be aggressive. If you want to trade your combine slowly, that's cool. It's that if you're new, saying you don't know no strategy, you don't know no system, you're still learning, yeah, do micros. Spend like 2-3 months on the combine. Get your system and strategy order. For me, I want to pass this quick. So I use 2 E-minis. You know what I'm saying? I got the video of the trade I took today. Trade I took this morning. My system and strategy is supply and demand pullback. Supply and demand. So you see in the blue zones right here, the blue box, the demand right there. I take trades off the demand if I have no other option. Feel me? My primary goal is pullback. We get paid off the forming of the demand zone. Right? We get paid off the forming of the demand zone. Alright? So everybody's waiting at the bus stop at the zone. We on the bus getting paid. We right here getting paid with it. Getting paid with it. Getting paid. Then if the bus stop decides to come, hit the zone, pull back, take off. It's cool. Saying, but we take this trade if we got the choice. If price come back to the zone, then I take my aggressive, conservative break of the candle entry. Saying, but my main goal is catch the pullback. I get paid.
The market is closed.
Yeah, the market's open, so the market just closed. So we get paid off the pullback. The pullback. They're going to form the demand zone here and they're going to take it. And then the demand zone forms. So this way we get paid. Money, 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 money. Next pullback going to form. Next pullback going to form. Take your entry. Just stop next to the previous candle. You get money. I go for 1-to-1. But you can see here, you go for 2-to-1, the 2-to-1, then you go for, can you go 3? Nope, the 2. Money. This is the pullbacks we're looking for. But as you can see, my entry and my stop loss is over the next demand zone right here. You know what I'm saying? Then price shot up and came back and tapped in the supply zone. I mean, tapped into the demand zone. Almost took it out. Almost took out the demand zone. And it shot back up. This one, the supply and demand traders got in. Got their money. Yo, pardon me, there's allergies in my throat, man. Then, let me drink some water real quick. Alright. Like I was saying, this when the supply and demand traders got in right here, the demand zone. They got their money. Some came in aggressive, you became conservative, or you could go break the candle. Boom. Your money. But the pullback strategy, I go for pullbacks forming of the demand zone or forming of the supply zone. Like if you learn pullback strategies, it's hard to unsee it in the trend. Hard to unsee it. The trend, the market trend pulls back and it shoot up for a leg. That leg will form the demand zone. The market will shoot up, pull backs again, form another demand zone, and shoot back up. Then we trying to get money off this leg. This is the leg. We trying to get money off this leg. Right here. This is money. Money. You know what I'm saying? That's my strategy. If you combine pullbacks and supply demand together, it's a lethal combination. It's a lethal combination. Lethal. 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 Like, it's hard to unsee it. Do you see all these demand zones happen today? None of them got touched. But the pullbacks, all money. Money. Right here. Money. Pullback. Form another demand zone. Entry. Money. Pullback. Form another demand zone. This is why I took my entry right here. Money. Pullback. Form another demand zone. Money. 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 Lethal. I say this win rate will be, I have data, I back tested this strategy plenty of times. I back tested strategy like crazy. All my back test results came out between, I can show you too, I came out between 70%, 75%, 65% win rate. Win rate. You know what I'm saying? I got the data to back the strategy up. I got the data to back it up. It hits. It hits. 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 My main focus was supply and demand before, but when I look at the trend, I see the same pattern happen over again. Pullbacks and it shoot up. So why not get the money while the price shooting up instead of waiting for the demand to get hit? The zone to get hit. You just waiting at the bus stop. You know what I'm saying, I want to be on the bus going up. You know what I'm saying? Let me out my stop, go back to get everybody up. You feel me? It works. It hits. I back test it, hit. Hits. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you the video of my trade today. Video right here. Alright. I wait for entry, see? Demand zone formed. Price shot up. Pull back. It's getting ready to form the demand right here. This bearish candle, the black bearish candle, is the forming of the next demand zone. You take entry on top of the high of the previous candle. You know what I'm saying? I wait for the price, get in my little entry spot, and I make sure to confirm it. I got in the trade. Confirm.
Order filled.
I got in with 2 E-mini contracts. So you're going to see my TP's 3,000 and my stop loss 1,200. But I don't let the whole stop loss get hit. I trade with TopStack X platform. I risk only $400. You see 1,200 here, but I'm risking 400. That's it. Soon it draw down, hit 400. I'm out the trade. I'm out the trade. I'm worrying about collecting my 1K, my $1,000, and I'm gone. That's it. Snatch and grab. Snatch and grab it. I don't need to hit the whole $3,000. I just need, my goal is to pass this combine, so I'm snatching 1K, 1,200. I'm snatching them going. You know what I'm saying? This is part of my strategy. I have tight risk. You know what I'm saying? It was a 101. I was going to take entry at this high right here. On this top wick. Right here. You see my arrow on the screen. My entry point was right here. But since price pulled back even more, I took the entry point and I brought it all the way down to the top of this wick. And price shot up and I took entry. So now a 101 turned to a 4-1. 1-4. That's why it jumped up to 3,000. You know what I'm saying? If I took entry right here, 101, it'd be 1,200 basically. 101. Then, so I got in. I just need a little piece of this. I just need $800 to 1,000. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good for the trade. I'm good. Fast forward. See price shooting up. Fast forward a little bit. On 5, 7, 706. The 5-minute candle. The 5-minute candle is finished. The next one came in. The next 5-minute candle is formed. See price right here. I'm up 800. That's it, man. That's my system and strategy, man. Pullbacks, man. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, once price break this high right here, then this demand zone get formed. Now the demand
order filled.
That's it. That's all I need, man. Let's run that back. That's all I need. I just need that little bit. I just need $1,000. I'm good. I'm not greedy, fam. I'm not greedy at all. If I can make 1,000 a trade, I'm good. I'm good. How many people work and make $1,000? Not a lot of people. Why be greedy? Why be greedy, fam? Trade two E-mini contracts, do pullbacks, get your money quicker. I'm saying you get paid faster. That's my system. Snatch and grab, pullbacks and supply and demand. Snatch and grab system. I should call it the snatch and grab. Be snatching and grabbing here. Heisting it. As you can see, once this price break this high, then you form the next demand zone right here. This one, the strictly supply and demand traders will mark their supply and demand zone right here, the top of this wick and the low of this wick. They form their zone right here and they wait the price to come back and hit the zone. You know what I'm saying? But the pullback artists, the pullbacks, we get paid on the forming. We take it all the way up. Price hit my TP. Once I exited this trade, price hit my TP. You know what I'm saying? So I could have made $3,000, but I don't need $3,000 right now. I need to pass the combine. 1,500. That's the limit of the top step evaluation combine. Can't be greedy. But if it was funded or a live account, I probably would have let this hit $3,000. I could have made 3K. But I still have 1K. You know what I'm saying? Play back. I got it right there. Boom.
Order filled.
That's it. You know what I'm saying? Then you draw your demand zone. Price broke this high. You form your demand zone. Then the other trades are going to wait right here. Price come back hit. But we already got paid. Pull back. Already got paid. Man, already got paid, man. Like I said, pullback, learn pullback. Pullbacks is part of the trend. Pullbacks is part of the trend. So if you know supply and demand and you know pullback, you know how lethal your system gonna be. It's gonna be lethal. Man, strictly supply and demand zone. You could Google it. The rent rate is between 55% and 65%. You know pullback. Your rent percentage is going to jump to 65 to 70% off rip. If you know pullback, these are the pullback. The formant of the demand zone. You know what I'm saying? Right here, I marked out these yellow orange circles are my high highs and higher lows. Then high, higher low, high, higher low, pullback, money. Higher high, higher low, money, pullback. Again, higher high, higher low, pullback, money. What is this money? Could have got money right here. You know what I'm saying? It's a long ass wick. I would have put it, my stop loss behind this wick, this candle, and I would hit the 101. It's 60 points. 2 contracts, that's like almost over $1,000. Right? 101 hit, bam. Money. Next pullback came. The same thing. Enter right here. Money. Alright, shut up. Pullback. I got in right here. Money. Money. So money, man. So money. Go back in time. Bro, the pullbacks is serious. It's all in the trends right here. Downtrend. Right? This is your supply zone. Mark your supply. Supply zone. Right? Boom. Price almost tapped supply, but it pulled back. You still took entry right here. Take a short here. Put your stop loss behind this bearish candle. Entry right here on this bullish high. Look, money. Money. You could have got a 101 right here. 101. 24 points, 101. Bam. Money. Again. Pullback. Pullback. Entry. Stop loss behind the candle high for supply. Look what you see. Money. This is a 2, but you want to do 1 or 2 right here, you would have known it. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Money. Money. I go for 101s. I go for 101s, and my risk is $400. So really, it's still 1 or 2, 1 or 3 for me. But I take my risk. I'm not getting stabbed and watch the whole knife go inside my ribs. No, I'm going to get stabbed and try to pull the knife out. You feel me? So I'm exiting at $400. I'm not going to watch me bleed down to $1,000 for what? It makes no sense. I'm going to watch me bleed down to $1,000 for what? Take my $400. If price draw me down $400, I'm gone. I'll come back tomorrow. I make my $1,000 again. Easy. Right here. Money. Money. It's hard. You can see it. Pullback. 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 You see it? It's hard to see it. Pullback. Pullback. Go for 101. Pullback. You want 1 or 2? Fine. Get your 1 or 2. Get your bag. Pullback. right here from last week. I nailed it. Pullback. Got my entry on the candle high. My stop loss on the candle low. Pullback. It's like a 5. But really, I took a 101. I'm just seeing how far can it go. I took a 101. 101. Money. I took a 1 and 2. Still money. Follow the trend. The trend is your best friend. The trend is your best friend. Once you know the trend, it's a wrap. Once you know the trend and market structure, it's a wrap. Look, I marked it. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Money. It's hard. Once you learn pullbacks, you see it in all trends. You just see it in the market. You can't miss it. Right there. Money. Entry. Money. I took another entry right here. Money. Demand zone. See, no price came down to this demand zone at all. Well, guess what price did though? Pullback, created demand zone, money. Created the demand zone, and the bus keep running, money. Get paid while the bus is creating the demand zone. You just early in the ride. That's all. You just early on the bus. Everybody else waiting on the zone trying to get paid. You're on the bus already, creating, turn it around and stop. Bam, money. You're on the bus while the bus is turning around. Money. Pull back and supply demand. It's very lethal. Very lethal, man. Very, 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 very lethal. Very lethal. Very lethal. Alright. So this is the end of this Monday, February 9th. Showcasing my win today. Nasdaq, 1K. That's it for today, man. But you trade again tomorrow. Hopefully I pass the combine this week. You see. Hopefully. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, this is the end of this video. Hope you liked the video of showcasing my strategy, the pullback system, and supply to demand. You know what I'm saying? I might call this strategy the snatch and grab. Snatch and grab. Get your profits and get out the market. Snatch and grab. That's why you need a system and a strategy. Once you master that system and strategy, man, you good money, man. That's it. That's how you're going to pull money out the markets. You know what I'm saying? You need a system and strategy and rules to go by. I got mine. It took me 4 months. It took me like 4 months to get this system and strategy down pack. I had to go through a mentor who showed me the source of the supply and demand, and bam, I learned the pullback strategy. Put it all together. That's my sauce. That's my sauce. Get this money off the markets, man. But hey, thank you for watching this video. Hit that like and subscribe. You want more videos from me, Jaya and Profits, man. I'll see you on the next video, man. Peace.